Most people are taught that aging is a slow breakdown, that once the body weakens, the damage is permanent. But biology tells a very different story. Your body is not passively falling apart. It is actively rebuilding itself every single day. As you're listening right now, damaged cells are being removed. New cells are forming. Worn-out tissue is being replaced. Your skin renews itself roughly every month. Your gut lining regenerates in days. Your blood cells are replaced every few months. Even your bones are constantly remodeling. So when people feel more inflamed, tired, foggy, or weak year after year, it's rarely because the body stopped repairing itself. It's because the body no longer has the raw materials it needs to finish the repairs. Think of your body like a renovation site. The workers are ready, the blueprints are in place. But if the supplies never arrive, the project stalls. Today we're looking at 3 everyday foods that research shows directly support the body's natural repair systems. They're affordable, widely available, and backed by decades of nutritional science, yet most people underestimate their impact. Before we continue, if this video helps you in any way, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's begin the countdown. Superfood, number 3, eggs, the blueprint for repair. Eggs are one of the most studied foods in nutrition science. In fact, other proteins are often compared to eggs to see how complete they are. Why? Because repair requires protein. Your muscles, organs, enzymes, hormones, immune cells, and tissues are built from protein. Every day, old proteins are broken down and replaced with new ones. As we age, that process slows, especially when protein intake drops. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids in ratios the human body uses extremely efficiently. This gives egg protein one of the highest biological values of any food. And the yolk matters. Removing the yolk removes more than half the nutrients. The yolk provides vitamins A, D, E, B12, and choline, a nutrient critical for brain signaling, memory, liver function, and nerve health. Most adults don't get enough choline, and eggs are one of the richest natural sources. Despite old myths, modern research shows that for most people, eggs do not increase heart disease risk. Cholesterol from food does not automatically become artery plaque. Your body regulates its own cholesterol production based on need. Eggs don't clog the system, they supply it. Superfood, number 2, Greek yogurt and kefir, the repair controller. If eggs provide the building blocks, fermented dairy helps determine how well your body uses them. That control center is your gut. Your gut microbiome influences digestion, immunity, inflammation, nutrient absorption, and even brain signaling. More than 70% of your immune system is connected to gut health. When the gut is imbalanced, repair slows everywhere. Greek yogurt and kefir contain live beneficial bacteria that help strengthen the gut lining, reduce inflammatory signals, and improve nutrient absorption. This creates an internal environment where healing happens more efficiently. They also provide high-quality protein, especially slow-digesting casein, which supports muscle repair and preservation, especially important with aging. The key is simplicity. Added sugar disrupts gut bacteria. That's why plain, unsweetened versions matter. A healthier gut doesn't just digest food better, it directs the entire repair process. Superfood, number 1, bananas, nerve, muscle, and energy support. Bananas may not look impressive, but biologically, they play a crucial role. They are one of the most accessible sources of potassium, a mineral required for muscle, contraction, nerve signaling, heart rhythm, and fluid balance. Many adults fall short without realizing it. Low potassium often shows up as weakness, cramping, fatigue, or poor exercise tolerance. Bananas also provide easily usable energy. When paired with protein or fat, they support steady energy without stressing blood sugar. They contain prebiotic fiber, which feeds beneficial gut bacteria, further supporting digestion and nutrient absorption. They don't just fuel movement, they support the systems that make movement possible. These foods work best together. Eggs supply the materials. Fermented dairy optimizes absorption and immune control. Bananas support nerves, muscles, and energy balance. Good health is more than feeling better today. It's about protecting your independence tomorrow. When your body stays strong, steady, and clear-minded, you rely less on medications, fewer doctor visits, and fewer unexpected expenses. That means more control over your time, your choices, and your money. You don't need expensive programs or complicated plans. Small daily habits, choosing the right foods, staying active in safe ways, and caring for your body help you stay independent longer. Your health is one of the most valuable assets you own. Protect it, and it protects your freedom. If this information helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more simple, science-based guidance made especially for seniors who want to stay strong. confident and financially independent for years to come. Take care of your body. It's the foundation of everything else.